Guys, today's video going to show here about to help you how you can start to make international payments. That is about we really helping you about the Santander site. That is about we really sometimes important to be done through what you are going to have. Okay, through what you are going to have. So what you are going to have. I have here through the international bank payments that is going to be already through what we are going to have through the thing that it should be really suitable for every single moment. That is ready to be very important to be done on our levels here. So what you can see about it is to log onto the online banking, you go to the payments, transfer, and you click on international payment in the left hand menu. So about on the screen instructions to receive an international payment, you need to provide sender with the standards BTC bank identifier code, also the SWIFT code, international bank name, and that is all to help